gonna be going trout fishing today. We're fishing at special regulations. We're gonna see if we can get you guys some good content. We'll see you when we get there. What is that?
Well, there is that too.
That's
One
me.
on.
That's me.
I got one on.
Right. On what?
White minnow. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here for. Yeah. Nice brown trout. Water's freezing cold, of course. Oh, there's a nice one. Big one. Oh, yeah. Where are you fighting? Oh, he's 18. I mean, he's definitely 18. Oh, he's.
Oh, it's tangled up. It's all tangled up in my line now.
Probably 20. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a big one. There's a big one. I'm going back down there. Look at that monster.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the biggest one. What? No, you didn't.
Thunder!
You know, the problem is, I'm coming. Well, I seen one, I'm telling you, he's 25 inches. But it was close to the bank.
We're at our next spot and we're gonna try to get some more here.
Where you know, fast riffles, and you see how it gets a little deeper over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect. That's gonna produce.
I actually just got a hit.
Wait till we get us here. We caught him underneath that overhanging tree. It's a little deeper. Push that little channel there.
Hmm?
Let's do it. Want to be sponsored by it.
Rock? Yeah. Because it's like obliterated. try something else. I don't know.
I'll tell you what, use green.
What?
Or white. Green's a good color. I think with my reel not working right, I can't even.
Use another.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice one. Oh my. Oh.
I knew because I didn't have it. I had slack, son of a.
Oh my God. If you would have hooked that, that was nice. Yeah. I bet they were right here. Under this rock right here. I got one.
Nice. Oh,
I didn't